Hi! In front of me is Realme C31, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Start by opening Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and tap on it. If you can't find it over here, you can always click on this pen icon at the top right corner, look for it over here and drag it to the top. Then let go and click on the back button. Now if I click on my location icon and choose close in the pop-up, as you can see location is now off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, choose location over here and manage it by tapping on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!